Hello viewers, please encourage our talent and like, comment, share and subscribe the channel. You can also be a part of our art gallery. So send your artwork, art videos and any other talent videos in our mail ID and contact us in our WhatsApp number. We provide online coaching also. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Vishwajit and as usual representing Doremi. You can see I am doing a charcoal painting. I know you all are excited to learn the charcoal painting. But seriously, I am telling, when I learned drawing, I started from my basics. If you see this painting and if you copy, you may think that you are doing a fantastic job. Many others, your friends can tell you, wow, you have done a great job. But if you don't know the basics, there will be a lot of mistakes that you can not find. So in this video, I have shown you from stick figures to a full drawing. Stick figure means you must have seen when our traditional artists, those who are making the puja, idol, Durga idol, Kali idol, a lot of idols. Before making, they make a structure. So stick figures a structure like our skeleton. So first we have to know these basics, okay? Then gradually you have to learn the basics drawing. In this drawing I have applied my basic sense. Because of this reason my drawing is looking perfect. But if you suddenly attempt this, you cannot get that much of perfections. So you need to watch this full video where you will learn compositions, human figure drawing, and moreover you can create your own. I don't want my students they always copy the drawing. I want that you can create your own drawing, okay, and many others learn from you. So watch the video, enjoy the video, and you need to send your own drawing. I mean, you have to watch my full video, then you create your own compositions with human figure and send me. I can upload in my YouTube videos and you send in my mail ID, okay? Mail ID is given. I know you must have subscribed our channel, but this time you need to share the channel because I want more people watch us. Doremi is a platform nourishes the star to shine. So join our platform and keep shining bright.
So let's learn stick figures to improve human figure. Upper body will be 2 times of head. Draw shoulder and waistline in proportion. Upper part of leg twice of a head. Lower part of a leg again twice of a head. Draw upper part of hand same size of shoulder line. Draw lower part of hand as same size as upper hand. Some stick figure with props. Now let's see some composition with stick figures. Here I am showing different size of human figure in one compositions, where you can see all the heads are in the same line but the legs are not in the same line. That shows perspective. Now I am showing how to develop stick figures to a human figure. First face, then hands, then look the fingers, then legs, then feet, then after wearing the dresses it looks like that. Now I will draw a composition with human figure. First I am starting with stick figures that you have already learnt. Now directly from stick figures to I will draw the human figure. Here I am drawing both the trousers end look same. I mean both the legs look same in size, in width, in breadth. Now one more stick figures that shows a kids wearing a half trouser. In the same way You have to keep a space for drawing the neck between body and head. Now I am drawing a dustbin. You can understand what I am drawing actually. Two persons, they are very close to dustbin. And look, we can see only TBIN. Other letter, it is out of our frame. So it should be that much realistic. Now I am drawing a crow. We can see crows are always around with dustbins. Now very simply we are drawing the hands. Same for hand also. Both the hands should be same in size, and width and breadth also same. It should not be one hand will be very thick, one hand will be thin. No. You have to be very careful. You have to have that much of control in your hand. Now look, I am drawing the finger. Actually stick figures means we are doing the sketch. Now we are doing the drawing actually. And when we will be coloring it, that means it is a study. So we are simultaneously doing drawing and sketching. Look how I am drawing the hand. So you need to watch the full video. You should not skip the video, you need to watch the full video. And this way you can create your own drawing. I want you see how I am drawing the human figure. In the same way you can draw this human figure and you can create your own subject of compositions. Here I am showing the Clean India. Means my message in this video that we should not throw things here and there. We always throw our garbage in dustbin. Now I'm drawing the hair. So you can see gently how I am improving my figures drawing, and these are very basics. Okay, I want your basic strong. So because of this reason I am showing you in very basic way. So follow each and every things how I am developing. So boy is here with his guardian and he is wearing the school dresses. So I am drawing the shoes and socks. Now this is the time I will add some more objects in my drawing to make it look more interesting and realistic. So I can see some branches in left side of my drawing. You can see I am drawing a signboard which one is hanging in the tree. So that once again shows the reality. Some more signboards. We can see the signboards are hanging in the tree. Now I am drawing a straight line behind their legs. This is footpath. we are drawing a city. Very simple way that you can easily attempt the drawing. So this is why I am drawing very simply. So I am trying to draw. In the road you can see some dividers are there, but I don't feel it is good in these compositions, so I am better erasing this. So I have again drawn one more footpath from other side of the road, and in very simply I am showing the cities. So just by drawing few lines you can show the cities. These are the shops, shutters. Very simply drawing some humans in very far, not in detail, just little bit of touch, because this is not our subject. You have already drawn our subject. These are the object. In very blurred way we can see. In the road it's looking very empty. So what we can do? Yes, it is street light. We can do this type of street light also. Now look, I am drawing a taxi. So you can also think in your own way. Don't copy this drawing. You need to watch our full video. Don't skip the video. It will enhance your own creativity, where you can draw your own compositions. Don't have to copy from somewhere. Look. So car is far from our main subject, human figure. So look, our composition was looking so fantastic. You can see it is so clear. So you can see how I am doing. Look, I am taking red color just to show you the basic form that will give you more confidence to draw. Just these are the basic form that I did. Yes, one round is oval for the face. In simple, a rectangular for the body. Same, just a rectangular shape for taxi, half circle like D. So these are the basic shapes that I followed to draw my compositions, to get a perfect composition. So you can consider this. I hope you enjoyed my video. Now draw your own composition and send us. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel, hit the notification bell, like, comment and share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.